Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, insert wood dowel into board 3 and 5. Secondly, insert mini-fix bolt onto board 1. Then, attach board 3 and 5 to board 1 using mini-fix cam. After that, attach board 2 using CSK screw M5x 40mm, making it the base of the cabinet. Attach metal legs onto board 2 using CSK screw M3.5x 16mm. After that, attach board 7 using nails, making it the backboard of the cabinet. Attach metal hinges using CSK screw M3.5x 16mm onto door 8 and 9. After that, attach door 8 and 9 using CSK screw M3.5x 16mm. Use the screw in the middle of the metal hinges to make literal adjustment. Use the screw at the back to adjust front and back. Then, install handle using CSK screw M3.5x 16mm. After that, install shelf support into board 3 and 5. Finally, insert all board 6 into the cabinet. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your glass cabinet.